of the flooring install portion of Midnight Sun. This will all be LVP flooring in the laundry area. I'm not going to take measurements. The flooring company will need to come and take their measurements. It's all is going to get LVP. The selection choice will be chosen before install. This also will be demoed and ready and prepped for install. Prepped as far as smooth subfloor. Again, this is all LVP. And this will actually be framing, we'll be framing this up to level with the two floors. Entry area, LVP. LVP throughout here. And in here we will actually be adding a few items. There's gonna be some shelving in here, or a table, folding table. Gonna have like a sink here. Gonna be adding a bathtub here. It's gonna be a wall right here, and a toilet. So there'll be a few different walls in here, but as far as all the flooring, it'll be LVP. This will be a washer and dryer, laundry area here, it'll be LVP. And this will actually be new carpet in this room. So LVP will stop right here. LVP throughout here. New carpet will be in this room. So LVP will need to stop here. LVP will throughout the hallway. LVP will need to stop here. New carpet. LVP will go through here. There's gonna be a new shower in here. This will all be demoed here, and it's actually gonna be an opening. We have the plans for it, which will be attached. But we have this will be all opened here, so it'll be LVP flooring going through this area. So whoever is installing the LVP flooring will have to come and measure after framing. Again, this is all gonna be carpet in here. This will also be LVP flooring throughout here. Again, this will be opened here, so it'll be a little bit of LVP flooring. Not much at the wall area. There's gonna be a doorway here going into the hall, or into this closet, which will turn into the bathroom. So this will actually be LVP flooring. That is it for the flooring install part of it. Again, if you have any questions about your scope or the video, please let us know before doing the work.